here's a question that everybody is gagging to know the answer to. What noise does a frog on helium make?
On helium?
Yes.
Oh, I love you, Miss Piggy.
You've got a frog in your throat. Yeah. Yes.
Hey, Corrie, if you want a klaxon, I reckon if you did a high-pitched ribbit, I reckon
Try
it
that.
would get
Try
one.
and say ribbit.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I might need a tissue.
It's rare you see so much pleasure at failure. It's fantastic.
It's so good.
I reckon nobody knows, because as soon as you fill them with helium, and then oof, and they're off.
You can just see it going...
1993, scientists made 3 different species of frog inhale helium because clearly party's not gone that well, nobody's turned up. Scientists with poor social skills, I'm going to guess.
We've finished, but we can't leave till 5.
Yes.
So, anything you've always wanted to do.
And it has no effect on frogs whatsoever. And the reason is that frogs don't use the resonance of the air inside their vocal tract to vocalise, the way we do. They seem to create resonance by using their skin instead, and that is not affected by helium. OK, so having that piece of information in your heads, what do you think would happen if you asked a dinosaur to suck on a party balloon?
I think he'd be like, I died thousands of years ago. This is a dream.
It'd sound like...
Actually, Corrie, you would be right, because you obviously can't try it out on dinosaurs. So, in 2015, the same experiment was tried on a Chinese alligator, which was as close as they could get by Austrian scientists. And it turns out, pumping helium into the tank of a Chinese alligator affects her voice as it does ours. So let's have a listen to the before and then straight away the after with the helium.
So it gets lower.
To make it lower.
Well, the thing is, it just changes the timbre. What helium doesn't do is people think it makes your voice higher, and it doesn't. Every voice, as you will know, is a mix of frequencies. So all it does is it causes some of those frequencies in humans, the higher ones, to be amplified so we can just hear them more.
Okay.
But it doesn't actually make the voice any higher. Apparently, because it's true of alligators, it must be true of dinosaurs because of the alligator being a
That would be a really bad, like, next Jurassic Park, like the third one.
Thank you for watching. Do remember to subscribe to the QI channel and click here to watch more videos. Well, please, come on, pick something.